Hello guys and welcome to Loadout. Me and Hudson are playing. So these are good crisps, guys. You know they're good crisps. Oh god, we've been playing for a while now.
What, did you pick jackhammer?
No.
Choose death.
Domination. Ah. Huh? Level. Right lads, let's go. I'm really worried I'm gonna drop frames again when I start like playing.
Oh, this is pretty quiet. Oh, it sucks. And I'm the only one. Oh wait, no, I'm not.
But you're the only one. Yeah, I know. I haven't recognised this map.
Jamie,
Yeah.
I can barely hear you.
That's because I moved my mic away.
Really far away. Like 10 miles maybe?
Yeah, just about.
So
Oh, got some hits on them.
This is a new map, isn't it?
It looks like it.
Yeah, I haven't played. Oh, yeah, this is Jack. I thought it was Death Snatch. If it was, I would have been so happy.
I'm not lagging.
Oh, I died. Are you lagging or are you actually not?
I'm not. Oh, that's not good.
These clips are really good. They're steak flavored.
Oh, thank God for that guy who saved me. I was like, I couldn't reload, and I couldn't click.
Steaks, there's some really good crisps. Ruffles, cheddar sour cream for dench.
You heard the man. Go out there, you American people. Go buy
Yeah,
those dench crisps.
they're already really popular. But it's still good if you haven't tried it, because they're good. Do you need healing, friend?
You'd be such a great advertiser.
Yeah, this
Yo.
game has quite a bit of violence, so your discretion is advised.
I'm gonna make a view discretion at the start.
Play and watch anyway, because it's really good.
Woo!
It's just
Wow. FM. I didn't mean what I'm trying
so
to.
bland. It's like there's that open moment in the car when you just sit there and then you don't say anything, and then someone brings up a question, so like, so how's
5 kills, that's it. I swear, was it this game mode where I got like 25 plus kills?
oh
Was that, what's the other one? Kill confirmed one.
yeah, or it's called Death Snatch.
Wait, this is.
Click on my turret bar, you know?
Find a place where you can camp with it and it won't get killed.
I hate how it zooms in when you sprint. That's annoying. But yeah, whatever.
I think you can change it.
Oh, I have the perfect place to put it.
I got injected like 3 times in the back.
Oh, wow, one of them got the jackhammer and killed me straight away.
I want to get most valuable player MVP, but because I haven't actually lost that since today. Oh my god, I hate it when you have like 3 of them in a row and you die when you're. Because you. Oh my god. I haven't got a flag yet, I think that's the reason why, because I can easily get the flag, bring it back. Oh, yeah, I need healing, man. I'm not in the mode today. Oh, well, I'm in the mode today. I'm probably going to do loads of episodes of this, guys, but.
You should see my butt.
You should see his, that sounded, like, really different to what it was meant to sound like. You should see my butt.
Oh.
Yeah,
My butt.
my butt. But anyway. Oh my god.
What's hard, isn't this guy?
Jump down, take him out. When the fat lady sings.
Just waste my bullets because I don't need them.
Oh no! Right, just get in cover, because I know I won't die.
One dead. Oh, thank you. The timing. Do you need healing? Friend?
Yeah.
Badly.
No. I got full health.
Extra health is good.
Yeah.
Do you want it?
We don't want to push too far up the map, because then they will start spawning our side of the map.
We need to steal the jackhammer.
They might be going around the other side.
Nah, that's... Oh, wait, no, I'm screwed. Whoa, that changed fast. Okay, let's roll.
I got 10 kills.
Nice, this guy's got it.
We've barely started the game anyway, so. How many games do you think I should play? Recording. I hate it. I'm gonna just hit fire, hit fire, hit fire.
Well, let's actually, how long are you going for the match? Or the video?
I don't know, that's what I'm asking.
I normally do it 15 to half an hour.
I might do like a half an hour. I don't know, maybe 15. Maybe one game for. I might do loads of episodes because I need to get this out. I need to get some series out.
Oh, actually, you are good at it, but you just want to show your talent.
Show off.
Show off. Much show off.
Oh, I went on like a 14 kill streak in one of the previous games. That was so good when that happened.
Okay, OMG. Did you know?
I actually need health. I actually need health. Yeah.
No. Why?
What?
Why?
What? Why? What?
No, why would Selfie ever need to be in the dictionary?
I don't know. Did it just get?
I run out of bullets as soon as I get in the fight.
It's a word, I guess. I don't even know.
Okay, I can't zoom in while I jump.
I hate it when they get too close to you and you have to hit fire.
Oh, that was so close.
Oh my! I think my little finger's gonna break. Oh, flipping heck. Uh oh, shooting through the wall. Bit of glitch there.
We should record 5 Nights at Freddy's.
Nah.
Yeah, I'll be good.
Nah, I'm gonna do something different. I'm doing something different. Yeah, people want me to get a people in my college want me to get a webcam and just do horror games. I'll barely be able to last like the first 5 minutes of it.
Of what?
Of a horror game. I'm a wuss when it comes to horror games.
So then why were you like, oh, 5 Nights at Freddy's isn't scary?
Cause it's not like a scary game. I don't.
It's just very tense. It makes you feel very paranoid.
Yeah, but I don't get paranoid.
Extremely paranoid, to be exact.
I don't get really paranoid with that. I find that game kind of funny.
I do.
I get scared of games like where you're first person and like someone's chasing you.
Problem with the Pirate Cobra
No!
is if you look at him running down the hallway.
Yeah, I know.
This makes sense. Like, why would he wait for you to see him? He gets, apparently, to the guy in the phone call. He's more active when cameras are off him, so he should be running when you're not looking at him.
That's true.
Because then it's random, and then it just makes you feel
Oh my
random.
god.
And you have only like a second to close the door. But it's still a very good game.
Go on, Hudson.
Prequel.
Are they?
Yep.
6 nights at JaMzY's. Oh flip. That didn't sound too good. Yeah, that was a really wrong thing to say.
Wait, no. Why is it?
Wrong. Nothing. Nothing. Yo, man, we need to get some more kills. Okay, maybe I've already hit 20 kills and we're not even at the halfway point yet. I didn't even count. I'm going for 40 kills in this game. Really? Go on, Huds. Huds, I recommend you switch up to like an assault rifle.
I what?
Have you got an assault rifle?
I can get them.
If you get one of those, they're so beast at just slaying.
I think my gun's good enough because it hits anything. Even if you miss, like right next to it, it will still hit.
But look at the kills I'm getting, man. It's just like, wow.
Got my legs blown off.
Yeah, but Huds, look at the kills I'm getting. It's just like too good. The only thing I don't like about it is the reloading speed. I wish it was a little bit quicker. Even just a small little, like, even just a small. Nah, someone else does. Even just a small amount would be nice, but. Boom, 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 boom. They're coming left, 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 left. Come in from the left side.
Oh wow. Oh, I thought I got a jump kill. I thought I was going to be cool there. You need to Oh, yeah, you do. Stand still, I'll kill. Maybe.
Right, I do need healing. Yeah.
Yeah, come in.
Safe, bruh.
1 sec. Stop. Take a look. Left and right. I'm so sorry. Wow. Did I just do that? Did I actually just... I need to heal you because it heals me. And I get extra points if I heal. You get over heal.
27 kills already, Hudson.
Wait, you have a 27 kill streak?
No, I'm on 27 kills.
Wow, I am doing worse with like 12 kills.
Yeah, but you're playing a different strategy to the game, so it doesn't matter.
Why aren't I maxed out yet? Okay, I'm gonna go get a box quickly.
I only have to play with one hand.
Show off.
No, because I'm literally in a position where I don't need to move, apart from now. Unless I get like mullered.
Why would you get mullet? Why would a box spawn there as soon as I need it? Wow, this game doesn't like me. I got an assist.
Come on, let's hit 30 kills. Come on. Come on. I don't want to rush because I know sooner or later I'll be getting more kills again. Why do I keep getting assists? It's like, oh my god. Yeah.
I jumped in last second.
Where are they at?
Caribbean, do the funky Caribbean twist. Have you heard that advert?
Nope.
It's funny.
What is it? Is it like a drink or something?
Oh yeah. It's like European with the Caribbean twist.
Oh.
It's
European.
probably alcoholics. Do a barrel roll.
Knew I'd start racking up some more kills. 32 kills. Let's go.
Considering I have 14. You have more than me. You have more than double mice.
Yeah, we are playing against bots, so
Yeah, but
I think they're like medium difficulty or
oh, I hate the ones
hard.
that bounce off the walls.
Yeah, there's this guy I saw in this game. He's shooting against a wall and he's shooting
Something
at
good
me.
with fire. Those are insane inside a room. You would win anything. Oh, I'm on a 5 kill streak. Yay,
Oh.
after 20 minutes. Try harder. Oh, yay! I touched his leg with the gun and he's already done.
Well in, Huds. Well in. Lad. I got 22 assists.
Yo, come over here. Can we try and get the...
Now, Huds, sit back. If you sit back deeper, you'll get all of them. If you have to just let them come out.
No, because we're not going to score anything unless we get the ammo. I like that. Side face.
I've got the same amount of assists that this guy in second's got kills.
Oh, barrel roll. Ooh, super barrel roll.
Do the super barrel roll. This gun's hip fire accuracy though is like rubbish. We have only got 50 seconds left.
Who got him? Oh, he's there. And wow.
Oh, he killed me as well. I swear I don't want to lose out to. Oh, I shouldn't lose out to first. Because my MVP status has got to carry on going.
My bot actively used ever.
This game might be one of my best games actually. Oh, I was trying to hope to get 40 kills, but I'm not now, am I? I need heals.
Put a bot here.
I need heals if...
Oh, you have 35 kills. You went for that earlier.
That's true. 35 kills, 10 deaths, and we only finished with 3 people. Why would the guy leave? Why would the guy leave? Last minute, the guy leaves.
I had 6 kills, so I'm fine.
Come on, guys, let's dance it out. That's really random. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm gonna leave it at that. That's gonna be the first episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was kind of a long game, and I'll see you guys later. See ya.